This is game number 34. On the tee from the USA, Jordan Spieth.
Most players seem to be going with a driver. A few players yesterday, certainly in the morning, went with irons. Thread it between the bunkers, push it right, and that right bunker's right in play.
Right in. Get right of it. Oh, it's right in the middle of it. Oh, backside of it went left. See that right?
Ranges are now absolutely the mayor's office.
Just the 98, pitching probably 5 feet short. He should spin, should pull up. He's got a backstop, so he might as well be aggressive here. This is his forte.
There it comes. Exactly what the doctor ordered.
Should be left to right for Spieth. Not a lot.
It's his first time playing the week before the Open in 7 years. Jordan Spieth didn't do it before his win in 2017.
Big bunch of trees down the right you can carry, but the rough has really grown up down the right, so driving iron, just trying to keep it out of that left-hand bunker.
Very nicely done.
293 for Spieth. This is going to be a runner.
Chase on, chase on.
Slightly soft first bounce, but it's not in a bad position. Oh, what's Jordan Spieth going to do here? This is what I love about his game. Is he going to flip this up in there? Surely not. Oh, just didn't get the kiss to the left, but I would call that a cavalier shot. Deserves a birdie. Does he get one? Yes, he does, right in the heart of the cup. Well played, iron off the tee, iron for a second shot. He thought he could get there with a couple of driving irons. Came up a bit shy, but a delightful chip and putt, and moves to 3 under.
He was practicing these on the range. Spent a while just hitting little trappy 100-yarders. This will go in low.
I mean, it's just not even remotely close to getting 90 yards. Oh my God, it did.
Sorry, Michael.
Oops, I hit a good shot by mistake. He is absolutely mystified.
Jordan Spieth after that terrible tee shot at the 6th. Oh yeah, he's disappointed with the putt, obviously, because he definitely got a break there. Either that or just a clever bit of caddying, as Anthony was saying.
Yeah, they're few and far between the shots that aren't punished in links golf. It was like that little forward press he has. It's something that Dave Stockton used to teach as well. Get that the back of the left hand toward the hole.
Spieth going to show us a bit of magic here, is he? He's got to carry it over that mound. Not much green to work with.
Good shot.
That is a terrific little pitch. I mean, that takes serious talent out of that line. Almost like a semi-bunker shot.
Spieth to get to 4 under.
Dictionary brilliant there. Lovely chip from an awkward spot and the perfect putt.
Yeah, 199 to the pin, but probably about 170 pitch is what's required here. Looking straight at this. You thought it's going to camber right to left this green, but it never does.
Wow. Sit down. Sit down, Howard. Sit.
Yeah, he's not the first player that's got an airborne And honestly, I think the wind zooms up that cliff, and as soon as you get high up in the air, it just goes sideways.
What do you reckon, Ant?
Well, he was going to chip it, which I wouldn't advise. Dom, I like the putt right to left, but the wind is howling off the left. This is slow. It looks quick, but it'll be slow.
When a putter as good as Spieth is gets one that wrong, you know how tough it is out there.
That was a bit of a sort of long backswing, a slight decel.
Just swing it with the body. 2 turns.
Go, go.
Carry that front left edge. Should come down.
Excellent result.
Left to right for Spieth down the hill. Tyrrell Hatton's ball didn't give him much of a clue. He pushed it right. It's fallen them today.
I'm afraid that's a drop shot for Jordan Spieth, a 3-putt bogey.
Yeah, I think the fact that the wind was up early today. It was quite still yesterday morning comparatively for at least the first 9 holes.
Spieth aiming further and further to the right. The wind off the right, slightly helping.
Oh, get to the fairway.
Oh my. Didn't see that as a layup, did you? But he fidgeted just at the last minute. He fidgeted right as if he was, hadn't made his mind up.
So cool too. So excited about it.
Well, he's probably got the best lead of the 3. But he used the backstop. If he does, he's got to go about 10 yards right of the pin. I'm not sure he can get this inside 5 feet. Maybe use the breeze, cut across it. The lie's okay in the wispy stuff once more.
Nicely done. Just seemed to slide the club under the ball, even out of the rough, getting it to check on the downslope. I don't know how you do that.
Jordan Spieth and Mike Grella giving this the full do-over and work around for the par.
It's always enjoyable watching Spieth's putting routine, getting a bit of help from his caddy.
Well, I think they're working hard because they can't feel the breeze, Ken. Down in the little bowl. They're so used to wind whipping all around.
Yeah, a little off the right.
And even with the forward tee, it seems to be a trend on these last 3 holes. It doesn't seem to make a difference. It's such a demanding tee shot. Just want to keep it above ground. Same play for Spieth, looking down the right.
Oh, he's going to try and draw this one.
Get left. Get left. All right. Fine.
Okay. Avoided the sand, but some pretty tangly stuff over there.
He's always got that floating left index finger, hasn't he? I don't know if he's got the longest left index finger in the world, or if he just doesn't fold it over.
Yeah, decent lie. It's not too bad. It's a little bit wispy, but I think he can get there. He would have to use the ground a little bit, Spieth.
That spot, that's going to be 50 short.
Short left, right, short left 3.
Face full of dirt, comes up short.
Nice clean lie. Up the 18th for Spieth, just trying to nip this one and just get it just skidding up that tier. Trying to keep it under the wind if he can.
Yeah, just a bit too grippy into that wind, isn't it?
Yeah, the last 8 players that have played this hole, there's been 7 bogeys and a double bogey. So
struggled to read them, haven't they? I suppose, you know, you've got the wind swirling around in amongst the stands. You think it's one way, it might be another. Can Spieth get it right?
Oh. Can't believe he doesn't mark it after the ball's sort of moving a bit anyway. In she goes, bogey at the last lap. Many others in the last hour. 68-72, level par.
To watch another DP World Tour video, click here, and to subscribe, click here.